Okay, we are talking about the average value of a function. So here we are. We talked about the average value of a function, and we found that the average value of this function, let's just do this really quick, was 1. We said that the average value, the average y value, if I added up all those y values over that interval, was going to be 1. So then the question is, what x value gives me the average value? So that's when it says find the value of c. What x do I need to plug in to get this point right here that creates that average value? So we're going to go ahead and do this on our calculator. We know that we want x cubed minus x to equal 1. Right, that's our function, x cubed minus x, and we want it to equal 1. So at what x value gives us that? Well, the easiest way to do this in the calculator is to figure out where x cubed minus x minus 1 is equal to 0, right? Because those are the same function. I just subtracted 1 from both sides. And it's easy to find the zeros of a function. So I'm going to go ahead and get my calculator all set up. Minus 1. We're going to put it in the calculator and we're going to see. Let's go ahead, pull that up. Oh, yep, see, there's my ghetto chandelier in the reflection. There we go. Okay, here's x cubed minus 1, or x cubed minus x minus 1, and we want to figure out where it's equal to 0. So we do second calc. We go down to 0, push enter. And our left bound, yep, that is sure enough to the left. And then we just go over here. And there you go. Our 0 is 1.324. That means the x value that solves this equation I have right here, x cubed minus x minus 1 equals 0, the x value that gives us that is 1.324. So if we go back here, what x value is going to give us the average value of this function? Well, it's going to be when x equals 1.324, this is true, therefore this is true. So the c value, we could call the c value equals 1.324.